Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you add a new transition effect in CapCut PC. That's glare effect. Alright, so you can find on transition and here's glare. But this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So for instance, go to media, just import your videos or just photos that you like to edit. So for example, I'm going to select some images to the tray and just go to transition and select clear, and you can adjust for the duration of the transition and apply the clips and see for the final result. Alright, so you can combine with effect, for example, yep. It is according to your creativity to edit. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.